Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call an authenticated get users API from Node.js in React. So let's get started. You can see here the React application. Let's go to dashboard component, and here I'm going to write the functionality to get the list of the users from the DB. So first of all, I'm going to get the token from the local storage. In the codes, we need to add here the key, that is a token. Let me declare here the use state, that is a users. Let me add here the use effect method. Inside the use effect, I'm going to create a new method, that is a fetch users. It will be an arrow function. Let me add here the try and the catch block. Catch block for catch the exception. And here I'm going to add console.error to print the error message into the console. Inside the try block, I'm going to call here the method, that is a fetch. Inside this, I'm going to add here the URL of our get users endpoint. And you can see here the URL of our endpoint, that is a /API/users. And here I'm going to add the headers where we will attach the token. Let me add here the key, that is a authorization. Value over here. So it will be a await. And here I'm going to initialize a variable to save the response of the API. Let me fix this. After getting the response, I'm going to transform the response in the type of a JSON. Let me call here the method, that is a JSON. Let me add here the await, and I'm going to initialize here the variable to save the transformed response. After this, we need to call here the use state, that is a set users, and here we need to pass the transformed result. After this, I'm going to add here the if condition where we need to check if the token exists. Then we need to call here the method, that is a fetch users. In case if token is not exist, then we need to navigate the user to the login page. So let me initialize here the use navigate hook. So here I'm going to add else condition where we need to navigate the user to the login page. So it will be a /login. And here I'm going to pass the token. Let's check the console, what warnings we are getting. Okay, so here we need to pass the navigate after the token. After the implementation of the API, I'm going to add here the HTML code. So you can see here the HTML code. You can see here the table tag where we have a 2T head, that is a name and the email. And you can see here the values of the name and the email. I have added here the use state, that is a users, and we are getting the user one by one from the array. Let me shift this condition outside of the fetch users method. And you can see warning removed. Let's go to UI. And you can see here the list of the users that we are getting. Let me refresh the component. Let's click on this logout. And here I'm going to log in the customer. Let's click on this login button. And you can see we are getting the list of the users in the response of Authenticated API. So that's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can do comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.